Wow, we're at the airport? What fun! We're going on holiday, Yippee. Careful, Pit. If you lose your ticket, you can't get on the airplane. Whew. Buckle up, kids. And off we go. Pit, you've got to stay in your seat and keep buckled in. Penny, leave your seatbelt alone. What's the matter? I need to go pee-pee. I can't hold it in much longer. You can't go yet because the light is on red. When it turns green, it's safe to go. Quick, Penny, it's green for go. Safety always comes first. Whew, you made it, Penny, haha. What's Pit's scene? Let's take a look. We're flying high above cotton candy clouds. Let's pretend we're flying our own airplanes. What's up? Yikes, a storm cloud. Penny's blown and busted up, yippee. Pit, don't throw trash on the floor. No, pick it up and pop it in a trash bag.
We don't throw trash on the floor. You can put your trash in the
Good job.
bag. Hooray!
Pit, give the trash bag to the flight attendant. Careful, Pit. Look, kids, it's gone red. Buckle up. We're starting to land. Slide down onto the sand, kids. Now you're airplane crew too, haha. Pit, that's too much ice cream. Uh-oh, body freeze. Cuddle in, sheep's wool will warm you up. Pit, the gate! Oh no, all the farm animals have escaped. Come on, kids, we've got to round the animals up. No more ice cream, Pit. You need to help too. Your belly's bubbling now. Yuck, stinky. Pit, you're eating way too much ice cream. Even Chicky thinks so. Follow my leader, haha. Yikes! Puppy is chasing the sheep. Shaking up all that ice cream has made Pit feel sick. Drink water to calm your belly. Not another ice cream. You're rolling like a scoop of ice cream now. Haha, even the goats want some. Pit, you're gonna freeze your tummy. Huh? What's happening? Pit's even dreaming about ice cream too. Piggy has come to share it with you, Pit. Mom, Pit's eaten too much ice cream. This is what happens to your tummy when you freeze it with too much ice cream. Good job, kids. The animals are safe again. Blueberry's very hot. Why didn't she ride the escalator? Blueberry, look, Pit's on it. Pit, don't, you'll fall.
You can't get distracted on the escalator.
Get ready, Pit, you're nearly at the top. You won't fall, Pit. Just take a big stride and you'll be safe. Copy how Mom does it. Yippee, you did it.
Yay! I like it! I want to do it again!
Pit, no, that's the wrong way.
Oh.
We use different escalators for up and down.
Oh.
Pit, stop. You've got to stand still. Yikes. Crash, bang, wallop. Oh no, you've landed on Pumpkin.
Don't run on the escalator. Oh.
Always remember the safety rules.
We need the 3rd floor.
Do we press up or down, Pit? Pit doesn't know which button to press.
That means the elevator is on the 1st floor. Here you choose the direction we need.
That's right, Pit. 3 is higher than 1.
Oh.
Yikes, Mom's purse is broken.
Oh.
No, Pit, you can't go in the elevator alone. Pit's so high, he's up in the clouds. Wait for Mom. Get back out, Pit. You can't press all the buttons. Don't jump in the elevator. Too late. Thanks, Mr. Potato. Look, Mom's here too. Mom's not happy.
I'm sorry, Mommy. I won't play in the elevator again.
Blueberry, you should take the elevator. But Pit broke it, didn't he? More steps for poor Blueberry. Heave-o. Pull hard. Kids, what's that large shadow? A ghost. Swim. Oops. Look, kids, it's Baby Shark dressing up to scare. Oh no, Crab shattered his shell. Yeah, Penny has a new home for Crab. Baby Shark, you're such a naughty bully. He bullies animals smaller than himself. Keep the door closed, Crab. Wait, octopus bouncy ride. Watch out! Oh no, Octopus got scared and squirted her ink. Don't cry. Come on, guys, let's help clean away the ink spots. Ready for action to scrub a dub-dub. Haha. Phew, lots of cleaning to do. Haha, take that, mop head. What's under the rock? Yeah, Octopus can have a shower now. Wow, high kick. Headshot from Seahorse. No, Shark's got the ball. Give it back. Watch out. Yikes, it slam-dunked Seahorse. Bullies aren't nice. That's why they don't have any friends. Hide and seek fun now. Come on, let's find some cool hiding places. What's wrong, Cherry? Keep going, Turtle. You're nearly there. Yikes. Baby Shark, stop being a bully. Quick, Pit. Flip Turtle over. Don't cry. Let's check out the treasure chest. Woohoo! Pirate treasure. Pirate Pit is the captain. Haha. Keep rowing, kids. We need to find more treasure. Go away, Baby Shark. You always spoil everyone's fun. What is it? Look, Baby Shark's found a real sunken pirate ship to play on. Let's see if he can play nicely with us. What's wrong? Ha! Look, a ghostly pirate ship.
Penny, don't throw popcorn! Kids, no, you're making a mess. The electric cleaning robot is gonna blow up. You've made it work too hard. It's spitting them all out. Whoa, careful, Pit. Ouch! Get swatting, Penny. Oh no, the cleaner is going near the electric socket. Yikes! The TV's been zapped. Phew, it's unplugged. But now too much electricity is zapping through to all the gadgets. We've got to leave the house. It isn't safe. Come on, Pit. We've got to go. Yikes! It zapped the washing machine, too. Mom, quick! Get out of the bathroom! Electricity is dangerous. Run! Be careful, Mom. Electricity can shock and hurt you. What can you see? Oh no! The cables are zapping with electricity now. Officer Pumpkin, we need your help. Electricity is running through the cables and zapping all the gadgets. Look, there's an electric bolt heading for the bouncy castle pump. Help! They're trapped! Dad, they need rescuing. Quick, kids, go under Dad's arms. Phone for help, Pit! Don't worry, kids. Officer Pumpkin will come to the rescue. No, there's no lights. He can't see. The electric box is broken. It's so dangerous. Only grown-ups who know how to fix it can touch this box. The electric's working again. Officer Pumpkin saved the day. Haha, he's bouncing for joy. Be careful with electricity, kids. It's very dangerous, isn't it? Kitty's having a robot ride, haha.
Hold on to the rails, kids. What's wrong, Mom? Stop, kids. Escalators aren't for playing on. Oh no, Pit's gonna fall. Someone help! Mom to the rescue.
You can't run on the escalator.
What do we need, Mom?
Children, please get a shopping cart.
Pit, are you going for the cart? There it is. Oh, Penny got there first. Kids, no fighting. Stop that.
You can't play with the shopping carts in a store.
Hey kids, let's help Mom find the groceries. Yummy cereal. Looks like they're Penny's favorite too. What's Pit's idea? No, it's not a racing cart, it's a shopping cart. Mom's lost the cart, Penny and Pit. Penny, Mom's looking for you. Uh-oh.
You can't eat food in the store.
Clean it up, Penny. Well done. Pit stop! You're knocking all the food off the shelves. And annoying other shoppers. That's Mr. Carrot's hat. And he's not a happy chappy.
You can't run around with the cart in a store.
Oh dear, you're on cleaning duty, Pit. Good work! Shopping's done. Now we go to the cash desk. And what's the last thing we have to do?
You always have to pay for the products in the store.
Phew, we got a lot of groceries, didn't we? Careful, Pit. That bag looks heavy. No, wait for Mom. Haha, Mom's a super strong shopper, isn't she? Come on, kids, stay close to Mom. Huh? What's Lime up to? Oh no, he's playing on the escalator. Lime, stop. You'll fall. Whew, good save, kids. It's okay, Mom. Everyone's safe.
You can't play on the escalator.
That's right, kids. You know the rules. Penny's having a tea party. Oops, the teapot's empty. No, Penny. You can't touch the hot kettle. Stop! Penny, no. Only grown-ups can touch it. Look, Penny, even Mom wears a glove to protect from being burnt. The kitchen is dangerous. You have to be careful. I'll help you, Mom. I won't touch hot things again. Mmm, yummy. Oh no. Put it in the trash, Cherry. No, you can't eat it now. Cherry, it's dirty. Look at the germs that jump on from the floor. Dirty germs that would go into your belly. Yuck. No 2-second rule, it goes in the trash, okay? I'm sorry, Mom. I won't do it again. Uh-oh, Mom's cooking is making Pit hungry. No, Pit. Don't touch hot things. I want some now. Pit, it's hot and dangerous. It will burn you. The thermometer shows us how hot it is. Only grown-ups can check if the food is hot. Give it a blow to cool it down. Now try Pit. Whoa, kids. No running in the house. You'll cause an accident. Oh dear. Now the floor is slippery. The kitchen is dangerous. I think we need to mop up, don't you? Always clean up spills to stop others hurting themselves. Remember the safety rules, kids. They're what keep us safe. We won't play in the kitchen. We'll be more careful. Safety first, yeah. Phew, your bag's heavy, baby Cherry. What's in there? It's too heavy.
Excess luggage.
Huh? Did you pack all your toys? Haha. Yeah, now it's passed. We can get on the plane now. Careful up the steps, baby. What's that? Must be another toy. Your ticket, please.
Ticket, please.
Holiday time. Here we go. Welcome aboard. Baby Cherry, you should put your bag in the locker above. Huh? Kitty. You shouldn't have Kitty in your bag. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Whew, Stinky. Baby Avocado got scared, didn't she? Kitty, stop. This is your captain speaking. no, Kitty scared the captain. Uh-oh, Penny isn't happy. Animals on planes have to be kept in crates for safety. Not in bags. Kitty's happy and safe now. We wish you a pleasant flight. That's right, we need to buckle up. You too, baby Cherry. Oops, I think we need some help. That's why you have to buckle up. Yummy food. Use the drop-down table, baby avocado. Oh dear, baby Cherry's asleep. But now he's happy. Baby avocado needs to pee. Attention passengers, we are in a turbulent zone. Keep your legs crossed, baby avocado. Huh, baby Cherry, where are you going? You've got to stay in your seat. Dear passengers, we've made an emergency landing.
We made an emergency landing.
Oopsie! Wee, super slide. Oh no, where's Kitty? Captain Pitt never leaves anyone behind. What a fun flight, haha. Oh no, there's a stranger outside the house. Kids, remember the rule? Never open the door to strangers. Yikes, he's gonna try and trick them. Open the door and let me in. Penny, no! We don't know who it is. Good boy, Pitt. No, don't open it. You can only open the door if it's Mom or Dad. Look and see who it is, Penny. Huh? Do you know him? Kitty's pulled off his disguise. Oh no, stranger danger. What should we do, Pitt? Yes, phone 911 for the police officer to come. Quick, Officer Pumpkin, we've got a stranger danger alert. Look, kids, rescue is here. Who's this? Hide! Haha, it's okay, kids, Mom's back. Quick into the treehouse and lock the door. Flat, haha. Oh no, he's climbed on up. Keep the door locked, kids. Ah, he's trying to pick the lock. You're going straight to jail. Bye, sour lemon stranger. What are you gonna draw? Cherry, no! Don't open the door, kids! Hello, children. Open up. I brought you some candy. No, kids, remember, we don't take candy from strangers, do we? Uh-oh, Jack's got a rumbly tummy. Stop him, Cherry. Jack, you know we don't open the door to strangers. It could be a bad person who might hurt us. Can you see them, Cherry? Is he a police officer? No, stranger danger! What do we do? Yes, Jack, we phone 911 when we don't feel safe. Look, Officer Pumpkin, there's a stranger hanging around. After him, he's trying to escape. Ha ha! Scoop up, scoundrel stranger. Never open the door to strangers, okay? That's right, kids. Always remember the stranger rules and keep safe. Even if they seem friendly, what should we shout? Stranger danger! Whoa, hold tight, Pit. Oh no, the ground is shaking.
What is happening?
What's happening?
Everything is moving.
No, Pit. It isn't a monster breaking through. It's an earthquake. Go with Mom to a safe place. Never stand near trees or big buildings. Always go to open spaces. You did the right thing, Pit. You're safe. Now we can phone 911 to rescue us. Here's Dad in the excavator to move the fallen trees. What's up, Pit? Oh look, someone's stuck under the log. Dad will scoop it away. Yippee, mole's safe above ground. Careful, Cactus. Don't reach too far. Everything's going wibble wobble. Come on, Cactus. Get somewhere safe. It's an earthquake. Good job, Carrot. Always stay low and take cover from falling things. Stay nice and calm and wait until the ground stops moving. 911 for rescue services. They're in the house, Officer Avocado. Don't worry, kids. The rescue team's here. Hop on board to safety. When earthquakes happen, remember to drop, cover, and hold on. Haha, Penny's so cute, isn't she? Oh no, the hat's stuck and she can't see where to go. Get her away from the mirror, Blueberry. When an earthquake strikes, never stand near mirrors or windows. Whoa, remember, only use the stairs to safety. Never use the elevator. Follow Officer Pumpkin to the basement safety area. Switch on the lights on your phones, girls. That's better. Now you can see. Ah, who's that? Phew, it's Officer Avocado from the rescue team. Always have water so you don't get too thirsty. And stay calm until rescue arrives. Not another earthquake? No, just a booming burp, haha.
Whee! Slippery slide time. Huh? What's behind the doors? Look, Penny, it's a puzzle. Penny, I don't think Kitty looks like that, do you? Oops! Try again, Penny, this time in the right order. Yeah! That looks like Kitty. Look, Kitty has a key for the next door. Oh, Pit, you've got a puzzle too. Whoa, careful! Pit, I don't think that's right. Watch out! Put 2 rings on each peg. Yeah, you did it! You're okay. Grab the key. Who's next? Carrot wants to try the next challenge. Careful, it's spinning fast. So is Carrot now. Ha ha! Look at the shapes. Let's put them in the right places. No, Carrot. Look for a heart-shaped hole. Yeah, pink heart in place. Green circle. Yellow triangle. Purple square. Good job sorting the shapes, Carrot. What's happening? Cuckoo has a key, yippee! Let's go to the next magic door. Tiger doesn't have a tail like that, Cactus. Nope. Try again to pin the right tail for Tiger. Yes, that's Tiger's tail. Horse is happy again. Good work, Cactus. Look, Puppy's wagging his tail. It's the last key, Cactus. Come on, kids, let's open the last magic door with all our keys. What's in there? Ah, dinosaur. Phew, it's locked in. It's Daddy Dinosaur, haha.
Are you fixing your robot, Pit? A Band-Aid will mend his broken arm. Try him out, Pit.
I will save you.
Yeah, you did it. What's wrong, Lemon? Is your toy broken?
I am Superman.
I think Superman needs fixing. No. Pull out the bend, yeah.
I have no toys.
Pit and Penny are so kind to share their toys, aren't they? No, Lemon, you're not supposed to take them. Wow, a super speedy racetrack. Don't put truck on there, it's not a race car. Yikes. No, they're broken. You don't look after toys, Lemon. That's why you don't have any. He's up to trouble, isn't he? Nope, that's not how Robot looks. You haven't put them together right. What are you gonna do with them? Lemon needs to learn how to look after other people's toys and his own too. Oh no. Let's see if we can mend them, kids. See if Robot works now. Yippee! Awesome, kids!
Can I play with the robot?
Not a chance.
You don't know how to play with toys.
Put Robot away, Pit, so Lemon can't break it again. Come away, Lemon, don't touch. When you break toys, no one wants to play with you. No, stop. Don't take others' toys. He's so naughty, isn't he? Whoops! Look, Pit, Superman was thrown into the mud. Guess who it belongs to? That's right, Lemon. Can you fix it? New battery in. He needs a new cloak, too. Fix it on Pit. Wow, he's looking good. Superman looks like a new toy now.
I am Superman.
Lemon, you still haven't learned not to break toys. What are you doing? Robot doesn't fly. No, you can't catapult Robot.
Don't do that.
Check out what Penny and Pit have done. Superman's all fixed up.
If you play with your toys carefully, they will be like new. I'm sorry. I will take care of my toys.
Breaking toys means you won't have anything to play with. Will the airplane work again? Oops! It was only an accident, though. Haha. Oh, Pit, you know chips aren't healthy. Penny likes to eat healthy veggies and fruit. A hot dog, too. Huh? It's changed into a junk food zapper. Yuck. Aha, Penny's got a carrot blaster now. A bunch of broccoli for Pit. Haha. Uh-oh. It's a food challenge. What's Mom made for dinner? Yippee! Healthy fish and veggies. But Pit, healthy food makes you grow big and strong. He's gonna zap it, isn't he? Pit, you'll get ill from eating junk food. That's why Mom makes fresh, healthy food. Now he's tricked Mom too. Yeah, he's listened to me. Pit's gonna have some fruit. Wrong. Candy will rot your teeth, Pit. He's not looking after his body, is he? Haha, a sour suck for Pit. Yummy mouth-watering maze? Pit, no. He's popped it into popcorn. Penny's gonna zap Pit. Wow, an orchard full of apples. Oh dear, this is getting out of hand now. No fighting, kids. Ah, you've zapped over a storm. And it's raining hamburgers. Pit's making burger angels. Look at your big belly, Pit.
I feel unwell.
That's because you've eaten the wrong food. Look, Mom, Pit's fat.
Junk food makes your stomach hurt.
But veggies and fruit are like medicine to make your belly better. Wow, like magic.
Healthy food is delicious too.
That's right, Mom, and it gives us energy to run faster. Healthy food is the best. What are you cooking, Mom? Smells yummy. Whoa, kids, you can't play in the kitchen. It's dangerous. Hot food burns.
The kitchen is no place for pirates.
Kids, you know the kitchen isn't a safe place. You have to be careful.
Wanna play chef?
Ask Mom first. Stop, Pit. Mom's rolling pin isn't a toy. Oh no. Don't touch the knives.
Children shouldn't use sharp objects.
They can cut your fingers. Look how sharp it is.
I'm sorry.
What now? Penny, no, turn off the tap. Bubble blast. Whoa, spilt water is slippery and dangerous.
In the kitchen, you always need to be careful and attentive. I'm sorry. Oh.
Pit stop. Drawers aren't steps.
Working appliances are dangerous.
Machines in the kitchen are only for grown-ups to touch.
I got it, Mommy.
That could be your finger, couldn't it? Not again. No, the oven is hot and will burn you. Tell them, Mom.
Okay. Children shouldn't touch the oven.
Mom uses oven mitts so that she doesn't get burnt.
We just wanted to help you.
Mom, can you think of a safe way they can help?
You can be my kitchen alarm clock.
Wait for it to ping and ring, kids.
Yay! Lunch is ready.
Go tell Mom, kitchen helpers. That's right, Pit. Never run in the kitchen, only walk.
Ding dong!
Lunch is ready.
Thanks for the help, kids.
Save me a slice of pie, yum.
Now you know how to behave in the kitchen.
What are you looking for, Penny? Oops. Pitt's getting pinked up. But he only likes blue. Uh-oh, the bedroom's split into two. I'm gonna build a blue secret space room. Penny, go make a secret room under your bed. Wow, cool space helmet. Pitt doesn't want you to see his space room, Penny. Let's make a pretty and pink room. Yeah, and glitter too. Penny looks tickled pink with her room, doesn't she? But Pitt isn't allowed to see it. Glitter and shine, haha! Pitt, no peeking. Are they Penny's toys? Oh no, not her doll's house too. But you don't like pink. I'll paint them blue, see? It's my favorite color. Now you've got a spacecraft too. Uh-oh, Penny isn't happy. Here, Teddy, catch this. Haha. Come on, Penny, cheer up. Let's fill up your pink room. Oh no, Pitt's cars are pink now. And changed into roller skates. Quick, Pitt, before you get pink painted too. Super skating Penny. Whoops. A full score of 10, haha. Look, Dad, Pitt's got a space room. And Penny has a pink one. Come on, kids, you shouldn't fight. Why not make a shared secret room together? Let's rub away this line. What do you think, kids? Yeah, a colorful shared secret room is much better, isn't it? Is there room for Mom and Dad too? Oops, no parents allowed, haha. You need to build your own, haha. Hurry, kids, we're going on a road trip.
In the car, everybody. Buckle up.
Penny's all buckled up. Your turn, Pitt.
Clickety, clickety, clack. Seatbelt will keep you safe.
Ready for your mystery tour?
Clickety, clack.
What's wrong, Pitt? Stop pulling on your belt. Always buckle up to keep safe. Yeah, I'm free. I can move now. Whoa, potholes coming up. Huh? Where's Pitt? Not wearing a seatbelt is dangerous, isn't it? Sit Teddy between you and Penny.
Get ready for a bumpy road.
Oh no, Teddy's bounced off. Teddy needs buckling up too. Now he's safe just like us too. Wow, we've arrived at the amusement park. Ice cream time.
Ice cream is so yum. Mommy, look, my favorite ride. Can we go?
Of course. Let's go.
Remember the rule, Pitt. Buckle up. Click them together to keep you strapped and safe. Oh, Penny's struggling. There, all safe and sound. Don't twist and tug, Penny. The belt stops you from falling out. Mom used the seatbelt app to keep a check on them. This way, Mom knows they're safely buckled up. No, Penny. That's dangerous. The ride's spinning fast. Look, Mom.
Mommy, look! My ice cream flew in the air!
Good catch. Get ready for Penny, too. Good boy, Pit. Wow, a super speedy cart. What do you need to do first, Pit? Why won't it start? Buckle up to keep you safe, Pit. Now you're ready to race. Seatbelts stop you from getting hurt. Go! Oops.
Watch out! My seatbelt keeps me safe and good.
Remember to always buckle up, kids.